thing's hers.
It's hers.
Texas paint. She's got the
There goes the foot.
That's hilarious. That's hilarious. That's funny, it is. Yeah, y'all can go get your own cupcakes if you want. Are y'all ready?
Maria, do you want a cupcake?
Missy Monster.
Okay.
There we go, little Missy Monster.
Trailing
Keep walking it. She walking it too. Her toes are green.
She's turning green.
Green little monster?
Here we go.
No, still the icing. Oh no, it's on the grass.
No.
Oh, it's gonna be on the grass.
Everything. It would be coated in green. Everything was her hair. No, yeah, I thought we were gonna have like put her in her little walker thing. That's what I was trying to ask. Alright.
You were gonna. No.
No.
She looks like a green monster.
Yeah.
She is a green monster.
Smash, trash.
Careful now, you're stepping in it too. Oh. Maria, come over here and you can eat your cupcake on the stairs. Is there a designated area where
I don't-
you should? I think it's been lost.
Get ready to pick it all. Oh no, she's decorating.
There we go.
Decorating the table.
Oh, always.
Yummy in my tummy.
You're not even getting to the cupcake. You just get going through the frosting a little bit.
It's so much fun.
Feeling a bit. Wow, that's really good.
Watch it.
No. No! Oh, honey!
She's fine. She rolls. I want to go get some baby wipes or something.
Yeah.
I think I want